Right, I'll look. Okay. One second. But watch the camera. Well, actually, do you want me to record? I can hold it if you want. Ooh! Wow, that's going fast.
Of course it is, it's greater Anglia. Well, of course it is, because it's greater Anglia.
Actually,
Why?
and I'll record. Do you want to sit next to me?
Okay, but what even about?
Then I'll put the camera down. Right, so where are we now?
Pudding Mill Lane.
Pudding Mill Lane. Okay.
Honey, do this one. Dad, you're aiming it that way, so I said aim this way.
Oh no, but I'm looking at the whole view for you. Ooh.
No,
Right, so what do we?
That way.
Why?
I'm just supposed to put it down like that on the seat. So
No, but look how it gets blurry. Look how blurry it gets. When I don't know it gets blurry, but when I do it to the side, it doesn't.
Oh.
That's why I'm doing it. I know. Oh, you got the river. What river is that? Is that the Thames?
Sounds like pink.
Okay.
Hey.
So what's the next stop? Let's see if you can guess it. What church? Bow Church. Okay. Okay. Now I have to move the camera away. And just to let everyone know, so the whole front of the cab has been cut off. Please do not enter this section off area during the journey. This is a place for our staff to follow government social guide. Yeah, you lot can read. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you guys can move.
They have nice coloured seats though. What colour is that? Is that like a bronze?
You don't know why blue and red things there?
Why is it blue and red?
Because Docklands Light Railway used to be that colour.
Really?
In the olden times, yeah.
Oh, very good fact. Train spotting Ruben. Alright, let's get through this tunnel.
Did you hear the
And we've come up to Devon's Road. Oh, sorry, mind the camera. And we've got a sign there. Yep. This is Devon's Road. What's interesting about Devon's Road?
It's the same as it's the same thing as I told you about Bow Church.
So I know that it's red and blue, you know what I mean? And they've got the same colour chairs. Interesting. Yeah.
Canary Wharf is like that, I think.
Devon's Road. What's the stop after Devon's Road?
Canary Wharf.
You think Canary
It's not.
Wharf?
It's London Park.
Are you looking looking at the map?
Yeah, because it's a long time since I filmed here.
Okay. So the next stop is Langdon Park.
London Park.
Mm-hmm.
All Saints, Muslim Military, and referring to the circle of the merchant and gatherers.
It's quite shaky. Woo! Langdon Park, and I think I see another DLR train on the opposite side. So we're coming into the station. Yes, we are. So let's put the camera down. Langdon Park. How many stops are on the DLR, mister? How many stops are on the line that we're going on?
Not a lot.
Not a lot.
Because we're going to Canary Wharf and then Lewisham had to change.
We have to change at Canary Wharf.
Yeah, because it's saying not going to Lewisham, Canary Wharf.
Ah, okay.
But it's okay, because it's the same line, it's just that sometimes the trains terminate at Canary Wharf for some reason.
I see. So next up is All Saints. Okay.
Why did they change Christmas Street Market?
Because it is.
Did you watch a video about that? About what that
No.
market was?
I didn't watch any videos. So, we are at All Saints for Crisp.
The street market.
But why is it with a H? Crisp. CHRISP, but you say crisp. So for the Crisp Street Market. Hold on. Can we get some like Wotsits and Doritos there?
Oh no. I think they just sell fish.
Oh, no, that's Billingsgate. Oh, maybe they do sell fish there. Can I have a look?
They're not. It's a busy train journey.
Mm.
Oh, someone is trying it.
So hold on, so we got the train yard over there.
DLR.
The train yard, yeah. Right, that's Billingsgate. There we go. So that market all over there, Billingsgate, and look how foggy it is. Wow, you can't even see the top of those buildings. Can you see the tops of them? No.
There's a crossing there.
Hmm.
Why is there a crossing there?
And this is Poplar. Poplar.
Oh, that's how they screwed it on.
Hmm?
That's how they screwed it on. They made a hole and then they screwed it on.
Well, obviously to make it safe for everyone. Oh, there's another DLR over there. That one's going to Canary Wharf as well, but where's that one coming from?
I think it's going from Bank.
Bank. Hold on.
Yeah, that one's going Lewisham.
That's the Lewisham one.
Yeah.
So we're gonna miss it. That's fine. And that one's going to Stratford, right in front of us, yeah? But we're not at Canary Wharf yet, are we? We're at one stop before Canary Wharf,
And
surely.
it's really close to it.
We're at West India Quay, if I remember correctly.
It is
Is it? Yeah, West India Quay. Okay.
the Docklands now.
West India Quay. See, a lot of people would say Quay, but it's pronounced Key.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, we can go to the Big Easy.
What's that?
It's a restaurant. They do barbecue and crab shack, so they do cocktails.
No, I don't like crab seafood and all of that.
No.
I don't like fish seafood and
Okay.
yeah, fish. Why can I still see Billingsgate?
Because you can. But we're going to get off very soon
Right.
and change for the DLR going towards Lewisham. Canary Wharf, where this train terminates. Alright, so we're coming into Canary Wharf now. Right, so let's just see Canary Wharf. Excellent. Right, let's get ready to change.
Tune in.